See that frictionless spin through periphery of brand new rims, Sun DS2 cross country. Hear that click and ratcheting tick through brand new free body and Shimano Hub M525. See that gleam and sparkling dream of six-spoked 160mm Avid rotor and disc with many vented ream. All that spin through power transmission from chain round gear of cassette to hub, tensioned through spoke of rim. Narrow rubber contact patch of tire to pavement from Panaracer Pastella Tour Guard with Kevlar bead.